What's up, everybody? Bradley here, and I've got exciting updates for Keyword Tracker. This video is going to show you how we just took the best keyword tracker in the world and made it even better. You know, we're not waiting for people to catch up to us. We're just going ahead and going to the next level here. All right, so what am I talking about? First thing I want to talk about is adding competitors. You notice that there's an add button here. All right. So for example, let's go ahead and let's say I wanted to add competitors for collagen peptides. I wanted to see, you know, who I think are some of my main competitors for collagen peptides. And by the way, guys, make sure to watch the second video in Cerebro in the Learn button, or if you're in Pro Training, the video about looking for doing a multi-ASIN competitor search, because that's just the first step to try and identify your keywords. But it's not just seeing who your main competitors are and what keywords that they're ranking for, right? But seeing how you stack up with them on a daily or even hourly basis, which until now has not been possible. So let's say we're wanting to compare ourselves to some of the top ASINs here of collagen peptides. I'm going to take this one and I'm going to hit add right here. And I can add different ones. Take that one. Let's go ahead and do this one. And let's just do one more top seller here. Let's do this one too. Okay. So I hit save. And it says 3 ASINs have been saved. All right. And those are the 3 ASINs right here. Now, I'm just going to go right back up here, though, to one that I had done a couple days ago. This is a Maple Valley organic maple syrup. All right, watch what happens when I click this. All right, so we have a lot of the same stuff that you learned about in the first video. You know, nothing has changed up until around here. Now we've got relative rank here. So what does relative rank mean? That means for all the ones who are showing up in the top 306 results, where does my product, if this was my product, it's not. Where does my product show up? All right, here it's ranked 3 out of 4. Okay. Also, watch what happens when I hit the trend. This is going to be so cool, guys. Take a look at this. You now can see yourself every time that we're checking your rank. You can now compare yourself to those top competitors, so you can see who's going up, who's going down. Are you going up relative to the rest right here? So you can see you have one line for your product, which is the blue one, and here in this case, the other two guys are ranking high. And here's the average. You know, the orange line is the average rank, and I can see that I'm below average here, so I definitely want to get higher. So that is just super cool. I can also zoom in, of course, just like you saw in the other video, to get a more detailed date range to see how I'm comparing with my competitors. So powerful. The other thing is, for example, what if I have boost on? Watch this. If I have boost on, which I actually just turned on yesterday or the day before. Yeah, you can see I have boost on right here. So it's checking at a faster pace every hour. So you can see now every hour it's checking my rank and my competitor's rank. How cool is that? It's also checking the sponsored rank every hour. And for example, here, only 2 products we have detected sponsored ads for. So you can see actually for in the sponsored, I'm pretty, on my product, I am constantly, as you can see, getting the top, one of the top positions, you know, either from, let's see, looks like position, oh, here there was no rank. So like right here, I was not ranking. So you can see how there's nothing for the blue. And then here, I came back on the scene at position 3 that it was detected. Here, position 6, and the competitor was at 18. But all throughout right here, the competitor was actually ranking. But you see there's no dots for my product. That means at that time, I wasn't detected for a sponsored ad. So this also gives you some visibility about where you're showing up in sponsored ads that we're detecting either on a daily or hourly basis. One cool thing, I just, as you guys saw, added those collagen peptides products, right? So this, I just added this today, right this second. But because I added it, it's going to go back. Watch this. Let's go ahead and click on collagen peptides. It's going to go back and show me all of the other competitors' ranks going back in time. All right. So it's not just taking my competitors' ranks from today, but as long as I've been tracking my product, if today I add some more competitors in there, it's going to show me their rank from the beginning of time. So I can go back 90 days. Watch, I just added this right now. It's going to show me some information. Now look at this. This is something interesting here. I'm going to actually go back 1 year. Let me see if I can isolate this. You see, this is what we had called the Amazon Search Shuffle. I want to see if I can isolate this time frame right here and see if the search shuffle was happening to all of my competitors or not. So let me just go ahead and zoom in right here. There we go, right here. So look at this. This is something that's very interesting. All right, let me zoom. Oops, I put it to 1 year. Let me zoom into this date range right here. My computer is super slow. I apologize. Come on, zoom in. There we go. All right, now look at this. Here are all of my competitors, right? They were nice and steady on page 1. But look what happened to this product at this time. There was a time where it was going up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, all over the place. So this is something that can be valuable to you, so you can know if Amazon is screwing around with your product, but maybe your competitors are not. Sometimes you might see everybody is suffering from the Amazon search shuffle. All right. So this is gives you that kind of visibility to show that it's not something always that's just for the keyword, but it could be just at the product level where your rank might be fluctuating. But as you can see, the competitors were not. So again, guys, this is super, super valuable. Make sure that you use it constantly. All right. Until now, you've just been, you could track your competitors' rank, in their own, in their own tracker. But now your focus is going to be on your product and your relative rank compared to them. Because remember, the relative rank is very important because you want to show up first than the best-selling competitors. So if you're putting the best-selling competitors, your direct competitors, not just who else is on page 1, because remember, there could be some products that aren't very relevant to your niche on a page 1 of a search result. But if you pick your top competitors, you want even sometimes more so than to focus on the organic rank, but you want to focus on the, oops, I picked the wrong one. You want to focus on your relative rank because regardless of where you are on page 1 or page 2, if you're showing up before your competitors, you've got the better chance of getting that sale if all other things are equal. So pay close attention to this relative rank right here, and this is going to give you some very valuable information on which keywords you might need to focus on a little bit more. So again, guys, welcome to the new keyword tracker. It was already the best on the market, and now it's even better. I hope you guys can find some use for it. Thanks a lot, guys.